Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Reggie Winston coming back with another video. Here on this channel, together we make barbers better. So thank you for checking this video out. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Now, this is a part of a series where I show you how to start a fade, how to finish a fade, how to edge it up. And now today we are applying enhancements. I'm using an air compressor, so call this air compressor. I'm using some OG Walker in there. I really love that stuff, the brown or the black, but this is the brown. As you see, I'm holding the index card against the hairline. I'm placing it right up against that hairline and spraying the hair. I am getting some spray on the index card, as you can see, but I'd rather get it on the index card and not his hairline. I want to work neat and clean as possible. So you see me holding the gun back a little bit too. I try to keep the gun 6 to 12 inches away from the hair when I spray it. If you get too close, it'll look too runny and too thick. I want to make it look nice and blended. I also hit the beard with this as well. Be careful with my client. He has some skin irritation, so I don't want to put too much on it, and I don't want to do too much around that area. I just want to make sure this haircut look nice. Here I'm spraying it in the crown. If you watch the earlier videos, you'll see that he was balding in the crown area. I know some of you trolls out there are going to try to pick on him or come with your own recommendations. This client wanted to keep his hair as long as possible. He still ain't ready to go bald, so I'm going to provide some solutions for him. So I just sprayed some enhancement in his crown area that was thinning, and in his corners he has some light spots there as well, so I'm gonna hit that as well. Like I said again, I'm gonna hit this line. I'm gonna put the card right against the line, and I'm using the index card because I throw them away. I do not use the same card on every customer face and head. Y'all barbers, we gotta make sure we pay attention to sanitation. Let's do the right thing. I'm gonna continue to spray the entire head, not just the hairline, because you want the whole thing to look nice. Nothing looks worse than a good haircut with too much enhancement right on the hairline, and that's it. So I like to spray more than just the hairline. I like to spray around the fade, on top of the head, and any light areas, and fill it in. So as you see, this is what it looks like sprayed on the side of the head. It looks really nice and natural. It looks a little too shiny though for my liking. We will have a solution for that. But I'm looking at different things. I'm trying to figure out what's best. All right, so I'm gonna spray this side of the beard, and I'm doing small sections at a time. I'm not trying to do the whole line. I'm working with the curve of the face and the beard top line. I'm also going to do the back line of the beard a little bit and spray the enhancement through the beard as well. And we're going to brush all this down. But it's looking pretty good. I'm standing behind him checking to make sure it's symmetrical. I did see something on this side on the top line. Right where I'm going, I need to bring that line down just a little, so I'm not going to bump the line with the card. I'm going to try to bring this line down to get some of the waviness out of his hairline. When I stand behind the customer and I look in the mirror with them, I'm trying to see what they see. If what they see looks great, then I win and I did a good job on the haircut. I see this side of the vertical line of his hairline, which I call the chair leg, needed to be touched up a little bit more. So I'm going to fill that in some more. Still spraying back a little bit, not trying to get too close. Don't want to make the spray look too dark in one little area. Let's brush that thing down now. So I'm going to use a soft brush by S-Curl. I really like this overbrush. It's really soft and it really manipulates the hair, but it also helps me really blend in this color. As you see, I'm going through the hairline with this thing. You don't see any running or any drippage. Like again I said, please hold the gun back some 6 to 12 inches away from the person's scalp or hair when you're spraying it. Also, you got to brush it in on the beard too. You want to make that look natural as possible. When using enhancements, you just want to make it like a solid haircut. These people shouldn't be able to see that you painted on a haircut or whatever. Some people do give enhancements a bad name. I think I'm doing a phenomenal job with this customer. Also, every haircut ain't gonna be flawless. I'm looking at this haircut now, and I want you to encourage a barber out there that's getting in the game or has been in the game, and you look back at some of your work like, dang, I could have hit that spot. You're never going to make it perfect. You're always going to find something in your old work or work you've completed. You're going to find something wrong. And if you're in a barbershop and you're booming, you got a lot of clients, you ain't going to make everything perfect, so don't down yourself, all right? So we adjust this camera and see what we're working with, man. It's looking pretty good. I think the next step from here is getting some toppik and muting out some of this shininess. We're going to grab some toppik in a second, and yeah, it's looking pretty good. The blend is looking dope. Like I said, he was balding in the crown area, and we're pretty much mask that up, and he can feel a lot more confident. So here you see me grabbing a topic, and I use topic, and I use a couple other things sometimes just to kind of mix it. I do like topic. That's to me the original. And you didn't see me spray anything before I spray the topic. I feel like the color that I put on is going to help the topic stick, and topic is magnetically charged to stick to the hair. So I'm gonna spray the line. I'm not gonna spray the whole head with topic, but I'm gonna stay really close to the line. Continue to bump the line with the index card, filling in any light spots that I might see. As you see, the hairline is looking pretty good. It's a little waviness to it, but we're gonna fix that. Still bumping all the lines with the card and spraying the topic. I'm not going to put topic on the beard. This is a situation in the world now where we wear a mask everywhere we go. So it ain't no need for me to put topic on something that's going, the beard, and it get wiped off. Hair color enhancements tend to stick better. See here, I have the nothing but glue, or gotta be glue, and this is going to help this topic stick. Y'all, thank you for watching this video. Please check out the next video. Together we make barbers better. My name is Reggie Winston. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you got any questions, please hit me up. Appreciate you watching the video.